What up, Grinch? Let's build a snow globe in our house. We got her, baby! So I was thinking, every year it's the same old routine. Drag the decorations out, haul the boxes to the attic, put the lights up, take the lights down, same old holiday hamster wheel. This year we need to shake things up, baby. Boom shakalaka, shake it up, baby. Let's turn this picture window into a happy snow globe. Yup, Sophie. You know, team, last year I built these benches, and this year we're gonna use them. We're gonna use them big. And I was like, why not? After all, only $60 a gallon these days. Oh yeah. With a corn cob pipe and a butter nose and 2 eyes made out of gold. But really, other than look at Frosty go, what other words do we really know to this song? I mean, what is the plot? I mean, snow melts, corn cob pipe, button nose, some coal. Before you know it, it's springtime. Frosty's.
What do you have to say? I'm listening.
Welcome to the Blorange Snow Globe Did You Know segment, where Winter drops the facts and I drop the boom. Here we go. Did you know snow isn't actually white? Nah, it's clear. Every snowflake is a tiny ice prism bouncing a million colors at once. So winter's not white. It's just hiding all the rainbows. Didn't know that, did ya? Merry Christmas! The other reason I'm slapping this paint on like I'm just kind of tossing it on like an unprofessional, which by the way, I am a professional unprofessional. It's because it's just a prop. It's not going to show, it's going to get dark, but I will feather it out and touch it up and make it look pretty. And now we'll just slap the paint on. You say, okay, great, Bill, you're at another build where you've already built the stuff and you didn't take any videos, so we don't know how to build it, because you're probably thinking to yourself, I could do that to our picture window or our window. Gosh, I could make it look like a snow globe. That's right, that's the whole idea, folks. People say, oh, are you going to decorate the front of your house? I'm like, yeah, I'll throw some lights up. But the back of the house, where we actually live and see it and sit and watch TV and eat dinner, that's what it's going to be decorated for. For mi familia, baby. That's right. Okay, so this build started 3 years ago. I decided to turn the bay window into a snow globe, and you know, it looked pretty good. I had some lights. I didn't have a camera, obviously, or I would have built the build. But listen, what I'm painting right now here is a stand that's about 7 or 8 feet tall. It stands a little bit higher than the bay window. On the tippy top of this bad boy, I'm going to set a... In case you're wondering, by the way, and I do digress, I am painting in Florida. It is hot. It's not feeling like snow. And that's why I'm doing it, baby. Because we want to Blorange, Florida. Even though we sell oranges here, we want to make it feel like Christmas.